Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. Thank you for actually joining me and checking out today's video. Actually, today is not going to be a tutorial or a kind of a method or strategy or something that's going to make quick money, but it's actually something that you need if you have an online business. You want to start an online business, you want to grow an online business, you want to grow your business to 7 figures. It doesn't matter if you have no experience at all, you have no knowledge about starting an online business. What I want to share with you today is something I picked up because I know the value inside. I actually bought it, and then in fact I just the first night I used it, the second day I used it, and I think I made about 20. That's about 3 sales, 2 sales. That's about $10 instantly, just because I applied just the very first guide inside this let me say this book which I purchased, and I want you to also get it as well. That's not compulsory, but if you are thinking of starting an online business, or you have an online business, you can pick up this book I'm about to review for you. This book will help you a lot. In fact, with this book, the secrets revealed inside this book will help you to grow an online business, as in to start one. And in fact, what it's going to do, how the effect is going to pass on to you, is that you can start doing your business without any hard work. You just wake up in the morning, spend few minutes, about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, at night 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and then it's all done. Actually, it's just about email marketing, simple email system that you can do. I do email marketing a lot. I send out emails. I have an email list, and I have I have 3 segments of list. I have my local list, which is I'm a Nigerian. I have Nigerian lists. I have foreign lists. I sell to international audience on Warrior Plus, so I have foreign lists as well. And I also, since I launched products on Warrior Plus, I have affiliate lists. And in fact, it's going to shock you that my affiliate list is more than my my buyer list, my foreign list, and even more than my local list, which is my Nigerian list. So affiliates take a lot of space on my let me say my email marketing system. So but this guide I'm going to want to review for you, I want you to go ahead and pick it up as well, because it's it's going to review secrets, the only secret you need to learn and then put to use in your business, and you're going to get massive returns. You might not get quick instant results, but over time, if you continue and you continue doing what's inside this guide, you stick to it, I can assure you, you can get freedom. Yes, you can get time freedom, once you start deploying the secrets revealed inside this book. So the name of the book is actually Secrets Email System. Yes, Secrets Email System by one of the great marketers. I know the guy. I've been following the guy for years. I've been following the guy. So he released a book recently, and the price is just 5.60. Actually, the price is going to increase anytime from now. The price is going to increase to $37, so you can actually go ahead and pick it up. So you can see his last product. I actually purchased this as well, 5,001 profit producing emails. But let's go to what I have for you today, why you should pick up this book for just $5. You can see I purchased it, so it's something let me show you my if I can check out my where it is in my laptop, my library, so you can see the delivery as well. So let me just show you secret email system. So this is it. You can see this is it. This is the delivery. Everything you get inside this book I'm about to review. It's a lot. In fact, this is the first one I just consumed, the 3 times formula calculator. In fact, after watching this video, just I think how many minutes video? Yes, about 8 minutes video. It's very powerful, very, very powerful. The secret inside here will open your eyes, and in fact it will inspire you to get to work. And in fact, if you get to work, you can easily make some cool dollars before maybe in 2 days or 3 days you can make good money. That's if you have experience in email marketing, yes, or in affiliate marketing, you can get good results. So what's this book all about is the Secrets Email System, yes, by Backak. Yes, now inside this book you're going to discover how Backak actually built a 7-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive revenue, sales, and commission. Actually, the guy is a marketer, and if you check on World Plus, if you know the guy has made 7,500 sales on just selling this book. 7,500 sales is very rare. Jono Armstrong, Mojibari, Brenda Mills, all these guys, they make 1,000, 2,000 sales when they launch their product. But this guy, you know when people say they are marketers, digital marketers, 7-figure marketers, but yes, they are not getting, you can't actually see the real proof that yes, this is what they do. But this guy has done 7,500 sales on just this product, and what he's going to reveal to you now is the secret that you can use to grow your online business without ever creating a product, without delivering service, without running ads, no customer service, no support. And you don't need to be setting up pages or website or anything. No. It's pure email marketing, and it'll be revealing everything to you inside. I've picked it up. I've used it. I've not completed it. But where I have stopped, and the ebook I glanced through one of where is it? Secrets Email System book. Yes, I just glanced through the book, man. It was powerful. It's very, very powerful. I've never seen it before. So go ahead. I want you to go ahead and pick it up. Yes, pick up. You want to go into email marketing, or you do email marketing, or you want to go into affiliate marketing, I will advise you pick up this book. Yes, it's just $5.60. Yes, very, very cheap, extremely cheap, more than what you are getting. And let me see, and let me just show you. Let me run a rundown through of what you are getting when you pick up this book. Number one, you're going to get a bonus of Irresistible offer video guide that's going to show you how to pick high converting offers that work. Aside that, you're going to get the real checklist, the secret email system checklist, a step-by-step flight checklist that makes sure you implement the system in the right order so you can get results. See, there are lots of bonus you are getting. I've showed you, this is the delivery right here. Everything is intact. In fact, you are going to love, there's a training there. Okay, there's one where it actually shows you how to swipe files, killer swipe, as in how to swipe files, how to modify swipes and create swipes that will convert for you and get you results. So go ahead, there's a link under this video to pick it up. To pick up this secret email system is going to help you. Honestly, it's going to help you a lot. And now, one thing again I actually love again is actually what's actually made me buy this book is the private Facebook group community. Yes, I knew this guy was very good, and then in his community there were over 20,000 email marketers, and these are not just amateur marketers. No, these are professional marketers, and then having them inside there. In fact, by the time I got inside there, wow, I could feel the energy there. In fact, I learned a lot already within 2 minutes, because I just scrolled through the posts in the marketing group, and it was top-notch quality content. So you can just get access into that group for just $5.60, and you still get all these amazing bonuses plus the book inside, which you're actually paying for. So if you are a marketer, you run an online business, you want to get secrets, to get conversion online, and then live a life that is very free, no stress, no hard work, this is what you need. You need this book. Just pick up this book, and I'm going to assure you, you will never regret it, because inside this book, you're going to discover the exact step-by-step process for finding offers that converts, and then you also get top 7 high-quality, lucrative, proven, and profitable online traffic sources. Yes, I saw those ones too. Okay, so you get a lot and lots of things. You can actually click on that. There's a link under this video, and then you'll be brought to this page. Read it yourself, read through it. It's $5.5, so don't miss it. Go ahead and pick it up. If you do, I'm not actually I've been saying it earlier on. It's not a must to actually pick this up, but if you know the power of email lists, you understand the power of email marketing, and then you actually run email marketing business, you have subscribers, you have a list that you mail every now and then that means it's very important you get this. Yes, it's very, very important you pick up this book, because it's going to help you. There's a lot of value inside this book. So let me see, I don't know where to stay. A lot of free stuffs you're going to get inside, and this, just go ahead, click. There's a link under this video. It's going to bring you to the sales page. Read through the sales page, understand it, and then go ahead and pick it up. I don't know, I think it says it's going to expire in I think tomorrow or so. And the price is going to jump to $37, so you can go ahead and pick it now for $5, and you can even get your money back. If you don't like it, you don't get, actually I've showed you what is inside here already. Look at the delivery right here. The delivery is top notch. Everything inside here is, I don't want to start opening them up for it won't be okay, but just go ahead and pick it up. It's just $5. You won't regret it. It's something you need that's going to shoot you and help you position yourself in email marketing. So if you have any kind of online business, you need this. You need to uncover, you need to get this secret email system. Yes, it's just a book, but not just a book. I've showed you. You get, in fact, I think there's a 90 minutes. Yes, there's a video right there, video training here. You can see there's a video training right here. It's very, I've not watched it. Yes, I've not watched the training right here. It's 20 minutes. No, there's another one about, I think 1 hour. Yes, I think this is a free session. Yes, I've not watched it as well, but the guides, I just ran through the guide. That same night I purchased it well, and then I just implemented the secrets in the guide, and then whoop, I got $10. I got $10 sales instantly. So go ahead. This system, is going to help you start real online business and grow your business maybe to 3 figures, 3 figures per week, or 4 figures per month. The thing is, it's going to work for you, and it's going to do a lot of things. So, okay, you can see the 3 steps to the secret email system is build a list, mail the lists, and then you get paid. And you see, actually, if you follow me, that's what I do. I mail my list, but the only thing is I don't grow my list. I have a list of just 200 subscribers, and that 200 subscribers has been converting for me. So I'm not thinking, what if I grow my subscribers to 1,000, to 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000? Of course, I should be making about $1,000 maybe per week, and which would be very bad, because I should be with that list. If I can be making about $100 a week with my email list of just 200 Nigerian subscribers, then I can do much more better when my list is bigger. So that's what you get inside this secret email system. You're going to discover what works in email marketing, and how to start growing your list, how to build it, and how to make real money with your email list. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. It's going to take you to this page right here to pick up this secret email marketing system from Backak. So that's all for now, guys. You see, I purchased this book as well. I'm not just saying stories to you that go and buy this, go and buy this. No, you can see I buy products very well. I buy products online very well, because that's where I get my knowledge. I don't just fabricate my knowledge or just come down from heaven. No, I learn. I buy products from great marketers, and then I learn I learn new things, which I also put to my business. So this is one I just purchased recently. So go ahead and buy it. Pick it up. It's just 5.560. So when you buy it, just go to your purchase section. When you go to your purchase, let me see. When you log into your Warrior Plus account, go to the purchase history. Then you see your recent purchases. Then you can click on the name of the products that you just purchased, and then you're going to see something like this. You see your purchase details. So just click here to access your purchase. Click here. When you click on this green button that says access your purchase, then it's going to take you to the link to download your delivery. So it's as simple as that. Please don't miss out this thing. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, you are interested in email marketing, you are interested in making money while doing honestly, you're not creating products, you're not doing anything, just mailing. And this guy is going to show you everything he has been doing for the past, I think, 20 years in this business. So go ahead, pick this up, click on the link under this video, pick it up, and then let me hear from you. If you have any question, I will also personally guide you and help you through along your journey to success. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi Olorere. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would appreciate. There's a link, there's a red button under this video. Just click on it, the subscribe button, subscribe, and I really appreciate it. So if you have any question for me on this or any other thing, you can ask me on Facebook. You might not want to leave a comment below, then feel free to ask me on Facebook, and I'm going to get in touch with you later on. So thank you once again. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.